All right, guys, we just did a scrap metal run, so I think we're gonna go check in on Angry Toad. We haven't talked to him in a while. Angry Toad.
What?
I need you to work.
I am working. Leave me alone.
The people have missed you. Angry Toad.
I don't have time.
You have to say something.
No, I don't have time.
You have plenty of time. Well, who's gonna do this?
I know. I'll be right up there. You'll be okay.
Hey guys, what's going on? We are back in the shop for another video. I know last week we went over some tools. We told you that we finally got the MAXJAX all ready to go. Well, this week we got one more thing chalked off, and that's gonna be my hose reel. So I got that set up right on the ceiling up there so that I can comfortably work between my bay with a lift and the other stall in my shop that has no lift. Another thing I did want to mention was the B2600i four-wheel drive. I have it outside on the road right now with the for sale sign on it. I have too many vehicles sitting around, you guys, so that one's gonna have to go. But I did pull off the KC lights. I think I'm gonna put these on the Ford. I told you guys with the old work truck I wanted to have a little bit of fun with that, so I want to put the KC lights. I pulled the whole harness, all the relays, everything. I'm only gonna sell the truck for like $1,200, so is it worth getting rid of my $300 KC light setup? Probably not. And I know I can still sell the truck without it. I got to bring you outside though. We have another thing we have to talk about. All right, so like I said, there's the B2600i four-wheel drive that's going to be sold. I also got rid of the old Avalon this week. My Celica's behind us. This might break some hearts and tug on some heartstrings a little bit, but this car right here is probably not going to be on the channel much longer, and we'll dive into that more when stuff is a little more set up, when more of the stuff is finalized. But I got a very interesting trade offer for this car plus cash on top, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. Reason being, you guys, I enjoy this car. It's fun, and I got it looking nice now, obviously. That being said, I don't love it. This was never one of the cars that was like on my bucket list. You know, like the two cars that I really want to own and will own someday being a 2008 GT500 and a Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. I don't really need it. And the problem is, you know, the ECU is locked. So if you want to do anything with these cars, you got to buy a standalone ECU, which is $1,200. Then a turbocharger if you get good parts and piece together a kit, or buy a kit from Monkey Wrench Racing or something like that. You're going to have thousands and thousands of dollars. Connor Nation, who supercharged his, said he had about $8,000 into his supercharger setup. I mean, at the end of the day, you guys, out of these GTS motors, they're great motors. It's entertaining, it's fun to drive. You're getting about 265 horsepower with a supercharger, and that's on the higher end of things. They just never were really tuner friendly, and it being front wheel drive and not being able to really monkey with much as far as power goes, I just don't think that this is the platform for me. So again, you guys, I will update you when we have more final plans, but as it sits right now, we got a really interesting trade, which will bring new content to the channel, and then I'll be able to recoup a little bit of money. So I know that's going to kind of hurt some feelings, and some people might be upset with me for announcing that, but I wanted to make this short video and just keep you guys up to date with what's going on the channel. So you guys, I know this one's really short. That's all I had for you this week. So if you liked the video, make sure you drop a like down below, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you next time.